Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. So now guys, we're back with this silly Otedola girl again, pining to be loved as usual. Guys, I bring you this. It's okay if you don't like me. Headline attributed to DJ Cuppy. So DJ Cuppy, of course, is Otedola's daughter. I'm not sure if she is his first daughter, but Otedola's daughter nonetheless. Headline again, it's okay if you don't like me. A headline attributed to DJ Cuppy. So now let's now see what Omadadi is up to this time around. Daughter of billionaire businessman Femi Otedola and disc jockey Florence Otedola, so her first name is Florence, Florence Otedola, popularly known as DJ Cuppy, has reacted to those who don't like her. DJ Cuppy took to her Twitter handle on Saturday to state that everyone has taste as to what they like or not. The Gelato crooner and founder of Cuppy Foundation also revealed that she is fine if people don't like her. She tweeted, "It's okay if you don't like Cuppy. Not everyone has good taste." In August 2019, she stated that about 80% of Nigerians do not like her. However, her latest tweet has once again generated mixed reactions amongst her fans as to what they think and feel about her. So now this is not this girl again with the love me attitude that she's continuously and routinely placing out in the public space. So as this article rightly said, there was a time in space, and I think I did a video on this as well. There was a time in space in the past where she came out suddenly out of the blues as well to say that 80% of Nigerians don't like her. Okay, let's just pause for a moment. Why should 80% of Nigerians like you? I mean, who is even aware of you in the first instance to make that decision of liking you or not liking you? And this is something now that we're seeing fairly regularly now. We've had this experience with Davido when he starts off with the Omo Baba Olowo, billions in their account, all this and all this braggadocious behavior, boasting and vulgar, attitude, and then he would then turn around and say people resent him. Of course, people would resent you, and they would say people resent him because his father is rich or he is rich. No, people do not resent you, especially because your father is rich or you are rich or you think your father is rich or you think you are rich. No, people don't resent you for that. People resent that braggadocious, immodest behavior, that vulgar, crude attitude of going round in the public space, bragging and boasting that you are this, that, and the other, all of that you are, and all that you might not be, lumped in. Nobody likes a loud mouth, all of which are embodied in this Davido character, and of course repeats. I don't think Cuppy Otedola, Florence Otedola is especially braggadocious. I think she's a bit humble. I don't follow her that much, but every time I have come across her, I mean, not in person, but of course within the media space, she's always been humble, and she's never really played on the fact that her father is a billionaire. But of course, her father is a popular billionaire, and she plays off that, not on that, but off that. So she will do clips with her father and post it on her Instagram, and then of course she'll hang out with Anthony Joshua, etc. But then of course that's not enough reason for anyone to like you. Her music is just blah. It's not really music, really, not in any understanding of the word. She's just really in that music industry because she's able to buy her way in. There's nothing that she offers that is especially moving or shows any real depth of talent or anything. So there's no credibility musically for anybody to latch onto to say, oh, this is a gifted artist. She's not a gifted artist. She's absolutely not a gifted artist. She's not an actress. She's not a public figure of any note other than being the daughter of this billionaire. So being the daughter of this billionaire is not enough of a reason for anybody to like you. There's no obligation to like you because your father is a wealthy man, except of course to the gigolo industry. That is their own specialism, their own career, their own business template. is to hunt down the daughters of wealthy people. But outside of somebody that is looking to exploit, there's no obligation to like you, except of course you meet a young man who then falls for your personality and you build a relation. There's no reason. The point I am making is there's no reason why Nigerians should like this person, and there's no reason to dislike her either. But there's probably even more reasons to dislike her, because it's just some loudmouth playing of daddy's name than to like her. But there's no reason really substantially that is solid enough to pin any real emotions in the direction of this girl. So her now coming out into the public space to say, oh, people don't like her, people like her. If you don't like her, that is because you have poor taste. And fair enough, I actually understand that comment, because of course this is something that I would say as well, that if you don't like me, it's more your loss, you know. So I can go along with that. But really what I am saying, the point I am making in this rather now long-winded monologue, I was hoping to make this video a lot shorter than this, but the point I am making is that there's no obligation to like this girl, and I'm really not understanding why she feels that people should like her or dislike her really, or even have any opinions in that direction. Conversations in the comment section. Emi Omobaba Olowo 2.2. We are now having the Otedolas coming out in the public space as well, craving for affection and pining to be loved. Come share thoughts about these Omodadis that are now requesting and demanding that the public should adore them in the comment section. But before you do that, click on the red subscribe button so it turns gray. Bell button notifies you every time I drop a new video. Then come tell me what you're making of what this girl is saying in public space in the comment section. So I'll leave you here. Carry this conversation on with you in the comment section. But here I say peace.